Hello. Give me a second, guys. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Alright, there we go. Let me make sure. Interesting. Alright, well, I replaced the battery in my fire alarm, finally. I just heard it beeping. It is still beeping. $495, $265. Alrighty. Well, good morning, guys. Get rid of the battery. I actually just changed it, but it's still beeping, so I don't know. Let me how many minutes? We've got 3 minutes to mark it up. Let me try to figure it out. Sorry, buddy. Oh shoot. Still beeping. Interesting. I have not been able to chart or anything. I don't even have my trading view open. 2 minutes to market open. Bro, I swear, I literally just changed the battery. Alright. fix it later. Right now, gotta focus on the market. I honestly want to say we're up today. Good acceptance back into value as well. Where's our sweep? Alrighty, market open, guys. Let me get some music going. Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, good morning. Did I take a pre-market trade? I took a trade during Asia on my top 1 accounts. I know the beeping's still there. I gotta figure that out. I swear if that front ran me, I'd be very unlucky. I think that might have front ran me, man. Holy, I just almost entered five minis. How many points are we up? Damn, that's already 100. Damn, that's super unlucky, man. Did it hit on? No. Alright. Replace battery. Why is my fire alarm still beeping? It says incorrect battery installation. Oh, shoot, I might have put it in backwards. Alright, well, I don't know if this market's giving us anything at the very moment. I'm gonna fix my battery. Hold on. Man, I want to log this. Stop is kind of risky. How many points are we from the stop here? 35 points from that low. I think it's better to wait. working. Long would have been good here. Yeah, it didn't look the best because this is also VWAP, so we could have seen a bigger rejection, but we're starting to flip VWAP here. So I do want to be long, but there's like nowhere to put my stop. My stop have to be like 60 points. Now it's like 80 points below. Man, that's unfortunate. This was the move. I don't know if that's worth getting in. There's a lot of buy pressure. These are both bearish, right? Yeah. Damn, that feels super bad. I really wanted to catch this long. I wanted to touch down a little bit lower onto this base. So I was a little hesitant because I thought it would come back down, but it just went straight back up. It's unfortunate. Good morning, Jake. Good morning, Levi. Hold on, let me fix the battery. I might have put it in backwards. I might have broke this. Fire alarm will come out. Might be looking for a short here, right? If we reject off this level, we won't be setting that higher high. We still have a lot of time on this hourly candle. So we could leave like a giant wick here and come down. I don't know. Actually, we are setting a lot of divergence right now. Right here. We're getting some divergence, so we might actually be looking up, but let's see if we can get a retrace. So I do want to be long if we are up, right? 20 minutes till the candle close. Yeah, price is having a little trouble closing outside of value right now. Oh, ES looks a lot weaker. Oh no, man, that's not ES. I'm looking at something else. No, I think it's hard to not be bullish on this market, but it doesn't mean we can't come down again, but yeah, it's hard to think that this isn't going to be a divergence. We'll see some pressure up. I don't know how smooth that's going to be. You get a lot of chop here on this line, right? Every time you get here, you get a lot of chop. This is on the 30 minute, so every time you come up here, like on a lower time frame, it's a lot of like chop and accumulation. Yeah, even on the lower time frame, it's just chopping, right? You get a haircut, you look fresh. Thanks, bro. I did get a haircut. Let's see. Sorry, I didn't get to you guys' questions. Oh, Levi, you're done for day? Let's go, dude. Solid, bro. Good trade. Which tier can you suggest for beginners? Is core plan enough? What is that for? Is that for the algo? Honestly, I think if you're a beginner, I would almost suggest not getting an algo. That's my opinion. Alrighty, there's the break.
Order filled.
Not necessarily a short. I might hold this, but not only if it like flips VWAP. Do I want to hold it? But I'm gonna be watching it like a hawk on VWAP. Let me actually turn it on, make sure it's calculated. Is that right? That's not right. Where's my VWAP? Wait, what the heck? This isn't VWAP. That's strange. Make sure my copy trader's going. I don't know, top set VWAP is wild. It's not correct.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get on a little bit more. Alright, we're at VWAP now. It's also that base. Do we hold it or are we just going? This is kind of a critical point. I would call this a key level here. Seeing how we react to this base. ES is already flipping that base. NQ is having a little bit more trouble. That's key level, right? This is another key level. Get rid of this one. Mark out this base. Perfect, we flipped it. Perfect, let's go. I'm gonna take off 5 there, half my position. I'm gonna see if I can let the rest run. I think we see lower, man. The trade looked like this, right? Let's go. Putting some pressure off that H1 base. That's 664. 671. Oh, yeah, 671. Perfect. Bring my stop down to that high. Yeah, I don't think the fire alarm is beeped. I also took it off, so we'll fix that in a later time. Let's focus on this trade. Aren't I going past my consistency? Yes, I am, but I'm also copying trading these to funded accounts. So I can just do the trade and then just lose it on the combine. I'm literally just using Project X to copy trade, so I'm at the point where I could care less about my top step accounts. PA is so weak. This is good. A nice sweep. Our EMA's got to flip here. We got to go below them. I think that's like the only thing that's keeping me a little hesitant on the short. Is that our EMAs are foot bullish. Oh, we just covered this base. Just 30-second chart. Let's see what we look like on the one. Interesting. We could be up here. Retest on the base. Nice. Yeah, we got a nice rejection off the macro base there. That's the hourly base. So I'm gonna drop my stop down to that hourly base. Let's see how far we can ride this. I honestly want to say we could ride this even lower than where I have my TP. We'll see. This was our first entry, it was like up here. So we're already up like almost 200 points. I honestly think I could get more in here. Can we come back up a little bit? Wait, why is it not copy trading to one of my accounts? Bro, what the heck? Yo, my copy trader. Not in on one of my accounts. This is a pretty big resistance point here. I guess like more of a support. Pretty big support level here. What level is that? 582? Oh yeah, we're actually like holding right below it now. I might try to get more in here. What a good move today, guys. Man, I really think we can take this a lot lower. Let's try for 435 here. If you make 1,200 per trade on 35% consistency, how much would I need to make per day? Yeah, well, yeah. What's your question? Is it to pass the account? Like, what's your profit goal as well? It all depends on your profit goal. So. Just to calm 5,000? You don't even need to make 1,200 per day if that's your goal. If 5,000 is your goal. Actually, you would need to make more. Sorry, if you want to hit it like in the lowest amount of time possible. $1,750 is what you gotta make. Let's go, guys. Yo, let's get some likes on the stream. We're just casually catching 300 points. Let's go, guys. Ooh, we couldn't close below that previous low. Interesting. Is this the end of it? Is this the end of the run? I don't think so. How many points are we from this target? 84 points. Yo, I'm kind of sad, my copy trader bugged on me. One of my accounts got taken out of the trade already. Not fully, but it's whatever. Sorry guys, I'm kind of fixing my P&L stuff right now. Cute trade, thanks. You're welcome, bro. Just a little cute trade for you guys. Just a tiny little cute trade. Just a casual $15,000 on the day. A little buy pressure here. I'm kind of starting to looking to get out, but not quite yet, I think. Hold on, let me see. 5, 15, 1. Damn, I don't want to give back too much. 4,000. I see. We hit our first TP. I didn't see that. At 490. What was 490? 490 was our initial TP. But I dropped it down to 435. I'm still liking 435. And realistically, this could go lower. I think I'll hold on to it. Maybe we did bottom out. I was really expecting lower prices here. Probably look to close this pretty soon. I don't mind giving some up in the opportunity to make a lot more, but I don't want to give too much up, so. Let's see what we get here. 25, 6, 8, 10. So I'm gonna kind of wait for this 5-minute candle close. 519. How far are we from 519? Yeah, I don't think we'll make it. If you can close below 519 on the 5, I think we're still bearish. It's 40 points though. Let me mark out 519. 5 seconds. Yeah, I don't think we're making it. All right, I think we're bullish. Can we get any relief off this push? I can get out of my position. Try to get a 5 out. All right, we got 5 out. There we go. We are getting weakness. If we break this, we're bearish again. Yeah, interesting. I swear, like, higher time frame looked really bearish, but that was also a pretty healthy, like, 110 point push. So. Yeah, we'll hold on to the last 5 micros to see if we can get our target. We need to break this though. 519. Maybe it's 520, like an even 520, but on my chart's around 519. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We'll do a giveaway today if we can get to 150 likes. Got a bunch of Lucid evals to give away to you guys, or Apex, or top 1 futures. We got a bunch of accounts, so just let me know. Yeah, we're unable to break this. Still 70 points. That's a little risky. I was thinking if I can add 5 more micros into this to a target, but I think it might be a little risky to do that. Interesting. It's getting a little choppy down here. Nice. Let's go. Let's break.
Order filled.
I got 5 more micros in. I'm break even. I'm gonna start trailing this down to our target. I want it to break a few more levels. There we go. That's a good level. Ooh, it's not respecting this. Damn, that might stop me out.
Order filled.
Alrighty, stopped out. Let's go, guys. Almost 3K across each account. It's $15,000 on the day, guys. Dang, I should have just kept my original stop. I still like this level for final TP. But yeah, it's gonna get choppy down here. We just had our expansion, right? That was probably from the top. That was over 300 points. Yeah, 350. We ate around 225 points. Like, easy, we'll take it. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be able to reclaim this. I think eating 69, 70 points here is still valid. But yeah, I don't know. It's definitely getting a little choppy down here, but I still like this, to be honest. I think I might take this on my top 1 accounts with 1 micro. Let me turn off my Tradeifys. I'm gonna try to look for a little better entry.
Order filled.
I'm gonna give this a wide stop. My top ones need like $100 more to match consistency. So let's see if I can net that. We'll just give it a pretty wide stop. Try to keep the trade over more to the right of the screen. be able to get a tighter move. No. If we close above this, I'm closing this out. I think we are closing above. Yeah, can't get that drop. A lot of buy pressure coming in. But honestly, more than buy pressure, I think this is just chop. I don't even know if we take this high, to be honest. Yeah, like look at the 15-minute on NQ. That looks terrible. It looks awful. It looks like 5-minute. It looks like bear flag forming. All right, let's see if we can get a little retrace and get out of this position. Can we get back to key level? Maybe not. I better just exit this.
Order filled.
All right, that did not quite work. No worries though. All right, well, we're in chop. So let's see what our magic conch is saying in chop. Magic conch is neutral. Dang, that must be like insane chop then. If the conch doesn't even have a direction on the market. Alrighty, buy pressure. Yeah, we're reclaiming bases, guys. This is bullish. How many points are we up already? We've already recovered 164 points. It doesn't even look like a bear flag anymore on the 5. All I wanted was 20 points with 1 micro. nice move. It's hard to hold the short here though. We're starting to break structure to the upside, but man, I want to say overall we're still a little bearish. I wonder if this will hold. I think it's too like, it's too coin flip, so I don't really want to take it. Maybe I'll take it on, actually maybe I'll take it on this account. 50. Dang, is that worth it? Nah, I'll take a better trade. I want to take one trade on my top one account, see if I can get them to consistency here. Alright, that's starting to look weak.
Order filled.
So we can come down and touch key level here. That just looked really weak. We're back below value. Yeah, we're breaking below these lows. I'm gonna get one more in here. I'm gonna try to move my stop down as soon as possible. Ideally, I want this high held. Right, that should have been your retest. It's kind of the same area, right? We got rejection here. Like, there's potential to see lower here on this move. I don't think I would need it though. So this play was pretty late, right? But you get rejection off the base, you want to wait for structural break, and you enter. It definitely entered right on that base, would have been perfect. I was a little hesitant because the 5-minute close pretty bullish. So I didn't want to just get like yoinked here like this, but it might happen down here. Kind of looking at the price action right now. Nice. Might be worth bringing my stop down here. Let's do that. Let's just minimize risk here. Come on, let's get a quick flush. A quick flush to my TP, come on.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Quick little dub, little scalpy scalp. Like I said, I think this could be lower here, but this is gonna definitely be your area to watch out for. Let's go. Make sure all my accounts are flattened. My top one futures are at consistency. And I'm up like 3K on each account on the day for my funded accounts on Tradeify. All right, so now I turn off my copy trader. I'm gonna have to lose them on this account. I'm gonna work on some more evals. Good analysis and execution. Yeah, today was solid. Thanks, Goofy. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm a little sad we missed this move. This move here. That should have been something we caught too. Yeah, at least like 175 points. This would have been my entry right here. I don't know where, I think I saw that. I was like a couple ticks away from where I wanted it. 5 ticks away. Literally 1 point. Alrighty, how many likes are we at? We just hit so many bangers today. Gotta be at like 100 likes, right? 29 likes. Come on, guys. Drop some likes for your boy. Hit a banger today. We hit like literally 300 points today almost. This was like, this would have been 280. I think we got out at like 225 points. And we just ate another 50. Nice, Goofy. But yeah, guys, if we can hit 150 likes today, we'll give away 2 accounts. We'll do 2 accounts giveaway today, because we haven't been able to hit 150. Maybe the incentive needs to be a little higher. So we'll go for 2 accounts. That's probably the max I could afford to give out every day. So we'll do 2 accounts a day. If we get 150 likes, literally every day, we'll give out 2 accounts every day. What is the AI predicting? AI is predicting a short. It just gave a short call out 1 minute ago, which is literally, it was up here. It's already almost at target though. The target was this low. I would have been looking at the same short too. Give out this short call out, just like this. But it's pretty much at TP here. Cool stuff. Alrighty. I don't know if you guys are like in a trade. If you guys are short, I'd probably just be holding, especially if you guys are up higher, or even if you're just up from the morning, right? They're just like worth holding. Like I'm wanting to get back into this, but it's getting riskier and riskier the lower it goes. Let's go. All right, you guys remember if you guys use like my Lucid discount, the JMK code, it'll give you 2 extra entries into our giveaway. If we can make it to 150 likes, we'll give away 2 accounts. And if you guys like buy accounts using my code and we don't do the giveaway today, like your entries will roll over. Like I have them as a list here, so. Yeah, and I'll keep your entries till the end of the week. So if you guys buy like 2 accounts using my code, that's 4 extra entries. And then if you don't win an account today, they'll roll over till like the end of the week, and then we'll reset it or something. Or maybe not reset it. Who knows? Maybe we'll reset it once you win an account. Maybe that might be more fair, right? What do you guys think? I think that makes more sense to like get rid of your extra entries after you win an account, because if you're like purchasing a bunch using my code, then I think it's only fair. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because then it's like not fair to people who aren't purchasing using my code. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll do whatever the majority wants. Resetting when you win is fair, or half the amount when you win. Sounds good. If that's our only vote and consensus, then we'll do what Yopi wants. Yeah, it's just kind of watching price action here, guys. It's gonna be choppy, but I think overall, I think the trend is obviously down, right? We're setting higher highs, or lower highs, lower lows. So trying to fish your way into some shorts here might be a good move. so slow. I don't think it's in at IB low, in my opinion. I think we're chugging down further. So, yeah. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second on Discord. Entire screen. There we go. Can you guys see on Discord my screen? We are respecting this low though. What's it look like on the 5? Man, that looks bearish though. I don't know, all the higher time frames are looking really bearish. But it doesn't mean we can't do something like that. But I'm still personally looking for shorts here. Copy trader is off. All right, I might try to lose 1,400 on this account now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Make sure that doesn't copy trade. That'd be unlucky.
Order filled. Order filled.
No, why am I making money?
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Bro.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, why is it going up?
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, why am I making money? Should I give you signals to lose 1,400? Yeah, bro, you got me.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, let's reduce this down now to like 10.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This is so dumb.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Go down. Go down. Go down. Come on. There's no way this is up. There's no way.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Oh, there we go. I'm getting a little close.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Alright, you know what? That should be good. That should be good. Yeah, I'm trying to get down to consistency on the account. Alrighty. We start to get structural break here. I don't think that's a bad short angle. Give me a second. It's just only one. Full screen, full screen. Ooh, we're breaking some key levels. Honestly, I'd have trouble longing this until we really break structure, right? Like, until we really get that, it's hard to like preemptively long it here because there's so many resistances in the way. I think your edge is stronger shorting this still. But I mean, if we come up and, if we start coming up and start setting higher highs, then start looking for longs. But until then, I think I'm still short biased. Yeah, sellers are still strong. Our EMAs are flip bearish now, which is really good. They were flip bullish earlier this morning. So I was a little hesitant on the shorts, but they are flip bearish now. Just keep moving, bro. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's work on some evals. Bro, what was that? Alrighty, so I am still short biased, but this is kind of starting to look like supply buildup a little bit. Unless this is going to be 3 drives into a down move, which is also possible. I would say I'm still short biased, so if we start getting break here, I'm gonna look.
Order filled.
Okay. This is still my target. Copy trader working, copy trader's working. Alrighty. Swap tie. Oh, we didn't tap this base though. I guess that's like kind of the only thing that's a little concerning about this. But I guess we already touched it. What's our risk at here? 295. Okay. Okay, not a bad reaction. We're still getting rejected off that key level, right? Holy God, so disoriented right now. Yeah, still getting rejected, but honestly, it's more buy pressure than I would like on this short. Buyers are still fighting here, right? What does ES look like? Oh wait, this isn't even a base. Dang, I don't like that at all. Might have to flatten this. I think it's gonna pop. Can we reject? Man, I really don't like where my stop is. That should be like my entry. I thought this was breaking down here on the break here. So I wanted to take that short, but there's still buyers in play. I think more sell orders are probably near the space. I might just flatten it. Oh, never mind. I get filled. Unfortunate. Yeah, I think this might be a decent short area. Like if we're not short here, I think we're long, right? Like I think we're gonna go at least up to VWAP, and then if we can flip VWAP, we're gonna possibly test like IB high today. But until then, I think the short's still valid.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try the short one more time. Keep our stop above that high. Let's see if we're bullish or not. If this starts to look really strong coming up here, I'm just gonna probably exit this before it even hits my stop. And we're on evals, so yeah, it's not copy trading. Yeah, that's starting to look a little strong. I think I'm just gonna flatten it, guys. I don't like that anymore. It has too much resistance in the way, but it has strength, right? So I think just squeeze a lot of shorts here. VWAP is at 830 for ES and 650 for NQ. 650. Yeah, it's like up here. Yeah, it's looking strong. Might even take the buy here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can take this up to VWAP. Going for a little scalp.
Order filled.
All right, well, that was a little quicker than I thought. We'll take it. So we're right at VWAP. Let's see what we got here. What does the magic AI say? That's a good question. It is expecting a short right where we are, pretty much. But it was also not expecting this push up, so I think we have a trending market. And in trending markets, the AI is not gonna work as well, in my opinion. So. Key level, H1 base. Let me try a short here. What is that? 606. This low. Ooh, this eval might be cooked, boys.
Order filled.
Yikes, we are bullish. We're flipping VWAP here. Dang, we're really just gonna go to value high? We might be honestly just on our way to value high. I'm gonna take a long here, guys. Value high. Let me set it up here for now. 762. 762 is value high. It'll probably come down by the time we get there. 62. We'll watch on this base what we get. I just realized I longed it at key level. Was that key level? What is that? Yeah, that's key level. Oops. That may not be good. Still buy pressure. Well, let me mark out some highs here. Dang, these are really it.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get a pop here.
Order filled.
Alright, stopped at break even. Not really wanting to lose too much on that. I leverage pretty hard, so. Unfortunate. Finding support on that key level. Damn, I want to try it again if it comes back down. Dang. Feels bad. That would have been our TP1 right there. We can get in here. Tap me in. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go. I want to see this base tapped into here. Come on. Is it worth trailing this so close? I don't want to choke the trade. Let it hit base.
Order filled.
Let's go. Big dub, guys. How many accounts am I trading total? Right now, I'm trading 5 evals. Earlier, we were trading 5 fundeds and 1 eval. So we're doing 5 other, or 4 more evals right now, or 5 more evals right now. Dang, this is wild price action, guys. What is this? Five fundeds with like almost 3K on each. We're up $15,700 on the day on our funded accounts. Actually, it's like $14,000 on our fundeds today. Oh man, what a move, guys. What a move and what a clean trend. I was not expecting this. Another 300 points up. That's insane, bro. What the heck? Yeah, I was really bearish on this. Like, if he went to even the 1 hour, right? Prior to these candles, right? We're like breaking below all these levels. We even broke this candle on an hour, right? So you break that. The likelihood that after you break these candles is that you go for the next low. The edge is just much higher for continuation, but yeah, everyone just gets squeezed out, I guess. Yeah, that's why you take your profits, guys. Do we take IB high though? I guess that's the real question, right? We're still gonna break on this base, but I don't really want to short this until this breaks, to be honest. Oh, does NVIDIA have earnings today? No, NVIDIA earnings is next week. It says 25th. Next Wednesday. Excuse me. likes are we at? We're getting close to doing the giveaway. I want to do the duck race. I want a duck race for the giveaway. We are at 47 likes. Let's get some likes up, guys. We hit some bangers today. The longer we stay up here, the more bullish this is going to be. So I want this to break and start coming down soon. Otherwise, I think we have more upside. But upside is pretty limited. So I think your edge is pretty diminished. Trying to take a long here. Unless we take a lot of these highs. Realistically, this would have been a good long, right? Because we're talking about how if we broke this high, a long would have been good. You like barely even get any retrace after you break that. So honestly, this long would have been pretty solid. Yeah, I think we're just long here. Like, we can't break these lows. Rejection off of these bearish bases are very minimal. Time is it? 11:18. Okay. Shortly, we will take our daily AI trade. We'll do that during New York lunch hour. Our account that we're trading with pure AI is up $737, so. That was a crazy short squeeze, guys. Look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute even looked more bearish. Coming up to this candle, and this candle even. Like, this is a pretty bearish candle here. And then you just shoot up 350 points. Squeeze out all the late shorts. This high could hold. Our IB high could hold here. And we just punish anyone who shorted a little too late. I think that's definitely possible. Either way, it's gonna be a little choppy. Choppy up here, so I think I'm gonna stay out until we get something kind of clear. Are you located in Central Time? No, I'm Pacific Time. It's 8:20 a.m. here. Get on the charts around like 5 a.m., 5:15 a.m. Can you withdraw that 14K profit today, or do you have to wait to hit consistency? I need 5 profitable days, and so far I have 3 profitable days on my TraderFi accounts. So I need to trade on it for 2 more days, and then I can withdraw half of everything I got. The balance on each account is sitting around like 6,000, so I can take around, like just right now, if I just hit base, I can take around like 3 grand off of each account, like 15K. What time do I sleep to wake up so early? I sleep around like 8 a.m. or 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Yeah, even if I sleep at 9 p.m., like I still get decent sleep, so. Yeah, I think the only hard part is that I get super tired and I start crashing like early evening, so it's like hard to go to the gym. I just get so tired. But if I take a pre-workout, I'm like way too jittery to go to bed at 9 p.m. So that's kind of the hard part, but look at that. We got a lot of buyers here, guys. We're sitting above value, so we just like fully rotated through. I think it could be popping up. Still like 23 points. Sorry, Toto. Come here. Say hi to the stream. Guys, let's get some likes. We got some likes for Toto. Toto, you want to give away some accounts? Alright, I'm sorry. You can go back to bed. How many likes are we at? I'm sorry, buddy. I just woke him up. 48 likes, guys. Let's get a little bit more. Which music is running in the background? It's on Pixabay. It's just like random, non-copyright lo-fi. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't mind it. That looks good to long. Shorts are looking good now. Yeah, shorts are not looking too bad. I do agree.
Order
I'm
filled.
actually gonna take that. Can we keep going? Let's see how many levels we can break.
Order filled.
Nice. Not bad. What's it look like on 15? Can I get a few more
Order
in?
filled.
Okay. This should start grinding lower. $680. Well, that's down here. I'll be like TP1, TP2. Nice, that's good movement. Straight back into value too. Come on, let's flush it. Come on, let's flush it. Go, go, go. I'm gonna set this break even.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's TP1, guys. Let's go, let's go. $661. How much am I at? 660. I don't even need that much. 50. Alright. This would match consistency on my other evals. Dude, for some reason, my top step was up $500, but my other evals were down like $100. So I have to get a little bit more. If we even get it. I think this looks good for a little bit more down. Let's gear 260 here in case this wants to yoink back up. But I want to see this come down a little bit more. I think we can see this up to 725 and then continue down as well. So I'm gonna keep my stop above here. This should be a good stop. And if we get this taken, then we're probably going back up higher, so. How to deal with, oh wait, have you already done your quant trade? No, not yet. We're doing that at like the start of lunch hour, which is in 30 minutes. How do you deal with holding trades longer and not closing when it goes back to profit? It's just your system, man. Like, if your system says hold it, then you should hold it. So you got to develop a system that allows you to hold your winners. Otherwise, it's going to be really difficult to be profitable in the long run if you're not able to hold your winners. What prop am I using? I mean, right now I'm using top step and a few lucidity evals. Dang, why are these buyers showing up? Like, why are they buying here? What are they accomplishing, bro? What is AI saying? AI was saying, let's check. AI was short on this move. And it should have updated. Why is it not updating?
Order filled.
Ooh, okay. Stopped out break even. Or not break even, slightly in profit, right? 260 in profit. Let's go. So this account's at consistency, but our lucidity evals are at 1,000 right now. So a little unlucky. We'll see if we can net 500 more. Let's go, guys. Another dub. Another pretty decent dub. It was like 50 points, 10 micros, 10, 15 micros. Oh wow, that move just got recovered. That's pretty insane. And that's definitely not something I was expecting here for that move to be recovered. I don't know. I want to say like bulls might be a little serious now, right? I mean, I guess they've already been serious, taking up 300 points, but I might try to take it up higher. Our EMAs are flip bullish again, so. What's your entry model? You get it on market structural break? Yeah, market structural break on a key level. It has to be on a key level, otherwise I don't really like to get in. Sometimes I will if it's like a short scalp. But if it's on a key level, it's a trade that I can likely hold. So. Bro, I think I like jammed the battery into this fire detector and might have broke it. But at least it's not beeping for you guys anymore. Oh shit, I might have broke this. I'm long. That's a good retest off that base. I want to see it come up and take this high now. ES has already taken that high. ES is looking good for up as well. Alrighty, get 3 more in. Risk about 400. Put about 400 on the table on this trade. Oh, maybe I didn't need to do that actually. Oops, I just exposed a little extra risk for no reason. I only need like 450 on this account. Oh, that's not even looking bullish anymore. Oh yeah. Interesting. Honestly, that retest of the space looked really nice, and that wick. We're also holding value, but now we're back in value. Value area is like this right now. But that just broke us straight back into value, so I don't know. Interesting. Is it a short angle? Dang, I still want to say that's long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try long one more time, guys. What's it look like on the 1, on the 5? Yeah, there's a lot of buyers there.
Order filled.
Let's get more in. Let's try to pass this eval. I'm bullish on this move, but I wonder if it wants to kind of chug more like this. It might not be a quick move here. Oh, you're still holding the short? Yeah, I got stopped out of mine. That was like I think we took 1,000 in profit on that short. Yeah, I don't know. I think the distribution's not bearish here, so I'm looking long here. But we'll see. We gotta retake this base. Keep rejecting off of it. Yeah, might still be a short angle, huh? Yeah, I'm being pretty bearish off that base. Maybe distribution is bearish. Yeah, we're chugging back in value now. It's hard to say. I think I'm more bullish than I am bearish, but this PA is not strong at all. I was wanting this push up to from here. Like after he broke this, I wanted to chug up here. Like I wanted this opposite, right? Instead of going down, I wanted to chug up upwards like this, but can't quite get that. If this doesn't hold, this probably hits my stop. I think I still like where my stop loss is. Damn, we broke this low. Yeah, I think that's taking my stop. Any buyers in the market? Buyers are gone when I need them, man. There they are. Yeah, I think it's valid to be bearish. I think the signals are pretty mixed on my end. Signals are actually very mixed on my end. The distribution is starting to look bearish for sure. We got buyers in the market on some support levels. 851 on ES was support, and huge buyers off of it. I don't really have any support levels around here marked out for NQ. we're rejecting off this base now, or where we rejected off of it. We found it as support, now we're finding it as resistance. Can we come up and reclaim this? Let's see. Chop zone? Yeah, it's definitely a chop zone. For sure. Ew, look at those wicks. That does not look good at all, boys. Dang, are we able to squeeze? Or do I get wrecked? I think I get wrecked here, to be honest. I might leave this trade. I'm gonna get out. I don't think it's worth the risk. My account's at 150. Yeah, it's getting a little too choppy here too. So I'm probably gonna sit out and see if we can get something else. If we flush 700s, we will dump. Is that the level you're looking at? Let's see. Yeah, I agree. I say if we close below 725, we can dump. 725. Oh, that's like right where we're at. Look at 725 on the 5-minute. We just can't close below it. I think if we get like one candle close below, we're dumping. We're giving this base a lot of respect. Let's try to short off of it. I'm gonna go a little lower risk on this one, and I'll compound this if we get it. I like the wicks it's putting in. Yeah, if you look at the 5, it's starting to look pretty bearish. I think we can maybe close below 725 there. 725, 726. 3 minutes left on the 5. Yeah, shorts are definitely looking better here. Still got respect for this base. Unable to close above it. Ooh, we might finally be closing above it.
Order filled.
Yep. Still respecting the base. The 5 looks great. Exhausted wicks to the top side. Yeah, no, I agree. This is looking more bearish now after more PAs developing. It's definitely looking at bearish distribution. I'm gonna try to build out another short position.
Order filled.
He might stop a little less sensitive this time. Is there account giveaways? Yes. If we can make it to 150 likes, we'll give away two 50k accounts. So make sure you like and subscribe. You gotta be liked and subscribed to enter.
Order filled.
Let's send it, boys. Oh man, we're holding this a little too well. I want to see a stronger drop here. Ooh, I am not liking that, guys. This is like last line of defense. If this doesn't hold, I'm probably just gonna exit this. Or just take it off manually.
Order filled.
Never mind. Ouch! Yeah, that looked really good for a short. That even looked like a bear flag forming, but we just got squeezed out. Yeah, guys, the bulls are in control right now. And that was even bearish distribution too. This was distributing bearishly. That's like a random squeeze up. That's good. I think bias is pretty clear here now. Where we should be long. Let's see if I can fish out some. Build out a long position here maybe. I want to see if this can retrace a little lower. Oh, it is time for our AI trade actually. Get a signal in 3 minutes, and we will take that signal. Three minutes. Gonna wait for our entry from our AI model. Give it a little time. Bro, this is giving me such a high stop loss. I am taking the algo trade in 20 seconds. Whenever it gives me the signal. I have it set to signals at every 15 minutes. And I take the first one during New York lunch hour. So that is the plan. Alrighty. Give me a signal here anytime soon. It is not updating. Maybe it's calculating. It's saying short though, so it's not far off from its previous. So I'm gonna enter short here. TP is at 676. Take this as well on my evals. It just updated the TP and stop loss. The stop loss is the same, TP is a little lower. at 662. Dude, I don't like this short that the algo is calling. I don't think I'm bullish on this market or bearish on this market right now. I hope the algo wins, but I think this could be the algo's first L, to be honest. We will see. You think we can push to 840? 840. I do think so. Like I said, I'm more bullish on this market than bearish, so personally, I do think we are going to push up here. But it doesn't mean we can't come down to this target and then push up, right? I think overall, I think we're chugging up, but it doesn't mean that like this can't happen. And that's kind of what the algo is predicting, is this down move right here. Good. We're rejecting off our base here. Yeah. Today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I should be opening that my Tradeify payouts on Thursday. Who are my top 1 futures accounts? Was a nice bottom on IB low, done for the day, calling you see you tomorrow. Yeah, dude, I mean, if you're up today, I don't think we're gonna get much cleaner moves today, so I think if you're up, it's better to just call it a day, guys. Could be wrong, we could get a good move here, but we've already had 2 pretty solid moves of like 300 plus points, so the chance that this moves, you know, like a fraction of that again is gonna be lower. Getting a push up. Alrighty, how many likes are we at? 68 likes. As we had a bunch of bangers today, we're up like 15 grand on our fundeds. If you guys can hit the like for me, I really appreciate it. Appreciate the support. And to repay you guys, I will give you guys 2 free evals. At 150 likes, we'll give away 2 free evals, and we're running that every single day. If we can get 150 likes every single day, today's Tuesday, so that's 8 accounts to give away this week. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for this algo to update. See if it switches the signal long. It's still predicting short, so. You're down 2.5K today. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm not sure what your strategy is, but maybe your edge just didn't play out today. Good night, Yopi. Yeah, have a good one, man. Also, this algo is kind of goated. The algo looks like this right now. That was weird. The algo called us short. That was a signal. Has TP, this is TP1, TP2, TP3. I'm trying to hold it to TP3. Probably set it at break even on TP2. Yeah, the devs, they ran an update on the algo. They said it should be a little better now, so. I think that's the crazy thing about it, guys. Especially before they raise prices and stuff, like they're gonna keep on, like the algo is only gonna get better, right? Like quant algos only get better with time, so. Dang, is this account really about to be 3 for 3 right now? I'm gonna set this break even. Maybe slightly in profit. 4463. It says 63 is the new target. I think I had it at 62. So I'm gonna bring it up. Oops. Something like this. Let's draw it out. How crazy is this algo, guys? Like it's about to be, I mean, assuming this hits TP, it's about to be 3 for 3. I don't know if it'll hit TP or not, but. Oh, it did hit TP2. Oh, this was exactly TP2, guys. Oh, that's also my base. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe I should have taken like one off. take one off at TP2, and then we'll see if we can trail it to TP3. You do have to pay for the algo, yes. It is not free. That is the link. If you guys are interested in it, you can, if you use my code, you'll get 20% off. But it sounds like I'm like shilling it, so yeah. I mean, if you guys been watching my stream, I'm testing it live. Like we test the algo live. I think it works really well during lunch hour. Like we haven't lost during lunch hour yet, so. Yeah, I'm just taking a signal on a single account and see like how well it does, and I'm trying to trade against it, so we'll see if I can beat it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably try to beat it in terms of RR instead of dollar amount, because I don't think that's really fair. Because algo doesn't have really good RR either, actually. Thinking about it, maybe we'll go win rate to make it more fair with the algo, or how many accounts we don't blow. How about that? Oh shoot, maybe TP2 is it, boys. Their website was down almost all day yesterday. Yeah, I think they were running updates. Yeah. They are a startup, so you know, it's not going to be as like their customer service and whatnot aren't going to be as good. But I can try to recommend that to them. Maybe they can get like a maintenance page up so we know what's going on. I'm in their Discord, but I think it's like a private Discord, so it's just for their affiliates. But yeah, if you guys have any like suggestions or anything, I can try to bring it to their team. I'm not really a part of their team. They're just allowing me to use the algo to kind of test it out. So and yeah, honestly, they just want my honest opinion on it. So, and I think my honest opinion is that it's actually pretty nice. I don't know how good it is for taking signals, but for confluence for my own bias, it's been really good. The stats on it is really good too. Let's see the performance for today. Let's go to NQ. Tech is NG. Today, NQ, I took 24 trades and what does that even mean? 8 TPs hit, 13 partial TPs hit, 3 trades expired. So it says stop loss hit 0, so I think it didn't lose a trade today. Not on gold. It hit stop loss 4 times on gold. Yeah, ES has a 92% TP hit rate today. It's pretty crazy. Well, they are very pricey for a month, more than a car rent. Yeah, but a car's not gonna pay you, man. A car depreciates in value, whereas if you use the algo properly, you can, you know, it's a return on investment. So this is the algo. Yeah, this is the trade from the algo. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's blocked on my screen. Oh, why didn't you guys say anything? Hold on. I don't want to hide the trade. What the? Why does it keep doing that? Give me a second. Let me try to get this on the screen for you guys. There we go. I think you guys can see that, right? You gave the short signal here. This is where we're at. The orange candles are what it's predicting. So it predicted this up move here. Now it's predicting a down move. As soon as I say that, it like starts moving down. Yeah, this was TP2 where I should have taken it off. At least like one contract. But we'll see. So technically, it should have won the trade, but I managed it improperly. Like we should have taken out some profits down here. So I'm hoping this doesn't just stop us out. It's be a little unfortunate. Apex allows evals algo trading. I don't think you're allowed to use EAs. But this isn't trading for us. Like we're still trading manually, right? We're just using a tool to trade. When it's considered power hour? Yeah. 9:30, 11, and 34. Is that why the market's choppy? Yeah, it's lunch hour right now during New York 12 p.m. And that's also when I like to use this algo. The algo thrives during like low liquidity sessions. So it's really good during Asia session, especially like early market open Asia. And so far it's undefeated in New York lunch hour. So we will see. Oh, let's go. TP1, guys. Wait, this algo is kind of goated, man. Dude, I don't even know. I don't even know how it knows. Dude, the algo is actually undefeated. It's kind of crazy. It gives us such a wide stop too. I think we can make more money with this with a lower stop, but I'm just following it. I'm not second guessing its signals, so I'm just gonna take it. Did it update its final TP at all? It has not. 663 is still what it's looking at for its TP, which would make sense. Is the algo always learning, or is this a data set now? Do you know? I think it's both. I want to say it's both. I know they have backtested like 5+ years of data. They are getting equipment to backtest a lot more data. I think they don't have enough equipment to backtest all the data right now. I think that's what they said during their meeting. But honestly, once they start backtesting more data, like I think this algo is going to be absolutely insane. It's already pretty insane. So. I would have personally sold it off. If I was short, I would have personally already sold it off. Like I wouldn't. This would not be my target. This is the algo's target. I would have sold it off on VWAP. We just bounced off VWAP right now, so. But I got to do what the algo says, man. Am I on the chart from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific? No, more like 5 a.m. to, I want to say like 12 Pacific. I don't really trade the PM session power hour too often. I like to just trade the morning session. But a lot of times I'll just stay on. I can chat with you guys. I think trading's a lot more fun when we're talking. You know, we're just talking with more people. So. But yeah, I usually don't trade the entire session, but sometimes I am on. Do I trade pre-market? I do not trade pre-market. Sometimes I will take a pre-market trade, but I would say most of the time I don't. Yeah, and I'll trade Asia a little bit. I've been trading Asia a little bit more. Yeah, Asia is a little bit more difficult to trade, but you just gotta switch up your edge a little bit, or my edge at least. Alrighty, it looks like this trade is kind of retracing off the VWAP. Still a dub on this account though. You come to Asia because of the slower movement, yeah. I personally like the fast movement during New York. But yeah, Asia's not bad either, so I really don't mind both. I would prefer New York though. I think this is gonna stop us out. Do I second guess the algo and just close it? Or do I just let the algo go? The algo already hit TP2. TP3 was, honestly, it's just a few points away. It's only 6 points away for TP2 or TP3. Yo, cute. Oh, sorry, I didn't see your question. Huge question. When you trade your own money, what do you use? I'm a fan of 1x trade as of right now. So I haven't traded futures with my own money. I'm still pretty new to futures. I've only been trading futures for about 4 months on props. So I don't have a preferred brokerage on futures. But if you're trading Forex, I recommend, I like trading with Oanda. I think they actually recently got bought out by FTMO as well. Oh, Forex? Yeah, I like Oanda. Yeah, like I said, they recently got bought out by FTMO, so. Oh. Alrighty, and we're stopped out here, guys. I might have overhandled this trade, because this, I don't know if this rejects off the base and continues down. But either way, what is this up? We're up like 100 and something bucks on the account. Either way, it's a dub. I think if I took this signal and I managed the trade better, like this would have been more profit, right? Like I would not have my stop up here. But I'm just following the algo, so. But yeah, guys, that's our lunch hour algo trade. Not bad. We take those. Crazy stuff, man. Technology is getting out of hand. Kind of spooky, if you ask me. How long did it take me to become profitable? It took me about 3 years. Oh, dude, I might have second guessed the AI. Right off our base too. How much money have I taken out of props? Out of futures in the last, I would say in the last 4 months I've been trading futures. Let's see. 25. 25, 40, 40, 55, 55. Close to 60,000 in the last 4 months. And yeah, around that much. And most of it's from Top Step, some from Tradeify. How long did it take me to become profitable? Honestly, I would say I saw the, it's hard to say, right? But the first time I saw like 6 months of green was after 3 years of trading. Do they have good leverage? Oh, dude, I second guessed it. Oh no, the algo should have won. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. The algo knows better, man. I'm gonna take a video. Damn it, dude. I second guessed the algo. I should have not done that. Do they have good leverage? Yeah, I mean, the US in general does not have good leverage on Forex. But Oanda allocates you the max leverage possible in the US, which is 50x, which is not bad. It's not terrible, but I would prefer 100x leverage if I'm trading Forex. I think even if you had 100x leverage on Forex, it's still like lower than what you get trading futures. So, how many accounts did I blow early trading days? Oh, dude, I blew a lot of accounts, like countless accounts, man. And it's normal. Like, and I think you have to go through that to really understand the psychological pain from keeping you to do it again. I think if you made like a fortune without blowing an account, you'll end up blowing your fortune, right? You have to like go through it and understand what's really at stake. Oh really? 1x trade? You can trade with them in the US? No, it says US residents can't open a 1x trade account. How much market tuition did I give? Oh dude, I gave so much market tuition. Dude, I think, I mean, I've been trading for 9 years, especially when I first started out. I think I gave like in the low hundreds of thousands to the market when I first started. And that was all in a very, very, very short amount of time too, because I had no idea what I was doing and I had way too much money to burn, so. But that was a lesson learned, man. A hard lesson learned. You sure? It literally says I can't trade with them. Yo, what's good, Paulie? That's a lot. Did it affect your mental? Yeah, I mean, initially it did, but it taught me a lot. I think the biggest lesson I learned from that was not. It was like the lesson I learned was you can lose money just as fast as you can make money, right? I think that's the lesson I learned. I made a lot of money trading. But I also like lost a lot of money very quickly trading, and that was kind of the realization that, you know, trading's a double-edged sword, right? You gotta learn how to swing the sword. And I don't know if that's why they call it an edge, but you know, you gotta develop your edge, you gotta sharpen it, and then you gotta use your edge, man. And you gotta let the law of large numbers play out for you, especially if you want to be profitable in the long run. Otherwise, you'll blow accounts, and it's just nothing you can do about it. You will blow accounts if you don't manage your risk. Tomorrow the big day, May 1st. Let's go, dude. Wait, Paul D, aren't you using the algo too? I thought I saw your email under my referrals on the website. I can see everyone, all the emails that like log in using my code for like, even for like prop accounts. If you guys use my code JMK, I can see who used my code. So I add extra raffles into the giveaway for you guys, but I can also see it on the Eigen state, so I'll get you your extra raffles. I think that's you. Yeah. Hey, Paul D. I know you're not in the mentorship, but just be careful on your last day, man. The rate at which people blow their accounts on the last day is absolutely hysterically high. So just be careful. which prop firm do you prefer? Is there a reason why you prefer? I prefer Lucid. I mean, Lucid has just made it really easy for the consumer, and honestly, that's about it. Their accounts are cheap. Payouts are instant. Their activation on their accounts is instant. You can trade 5 accounts. Really good payout rules. Yeah, it just everything you really want in a funded account is Lucid has it. The only trade-off with Lucid is that their payout cap is lower, but they're cheaper. So that's like the caveat. Their accounts are cheaper, but the payout caps are a little less. Any giveaways? Yes. I'm trying to do a giveaway, but we need to make it to 150 likes. We're at 80 likes right now, so if we can make it to 150, we'll give away 2 Lucid accounts, or 2 Apex, or 2 top 1 accounts. But yeah, that's my favorite prop firm so far. Space. If I had to choose my next 2, it's hard. It's actually really hard. I do like Tradeify, but I'm not the biggest fan of Tradeify. I mean, obviously, I'm trading 5 accounts. I'll use them, but I think I prefer Apex and Top 1 above Tradeify right now. Like Top 1, I like their Ignite accounts just to add onto your stack. But I would only use Top 1 if you already have like more funded accounts already. Or if you're already trading some more evals, I would just add Top 1 in Ignite on top of it. So for example, if I was just working through like 2 evals, right? I would want to add a Top 1 Ignite on top of it so that while I'm working on those evals, I can get payouts. So that would be like kind of the way to use Ignite accounts. And you can also stack up to 10 of them, which is pretty insane. And then same with Apex. I really like Apex for stacking accounts. I think Apex is good if you have 10 plus accounts that you want to add, because you can just like full port the Apex evals, add the funded accounts to your stack, and just trade micros. Like that's exactly what I would do. Oh, you had a Ninja Trader issue? Oh, that's unfortunate, man. Maybe you can get that refunded, especially without proof. Paul D, can I check my DMs? I actually don't check my DMs, Paul D, just due to safety issues, because I don't know, people have already tried to impersonate me and like fish people, so I don't DM anyone. But you can email me. If you don't know my email, I'll message it in the Discord, in the public Discord. But you can email me. I'll respond to you on email. You want Lucid and Aniket? Yes, we can do Lucid accounts. We'll give away 50k Lucid accounts, 2 of them if we can reach 150 likes today. And preferably soon, because I am trying to get off for the day. I am very tired. I have to go walk the dog too. Yeah, and if you guys are interested in mentorship, the mentorship info is at jmktrading.com. jmktrading.com. We recently had one of our students hit 2 max payouts on Top Step, and now he got called to live. Which is a little unfortunate, but yeah. We got another student here who hit consistency on his evals. It's just so consistent. Like he has minus 500 day, plus 1,000, plus 200, plus 500. It's just really, really consistent. So, and that's literally what I'm trying to teach. And this hit TP. Dang it, dude. I should have trusted Eigenstate, man. What am I doing? Yeah, absolutely. In Space, if you do use my code, I put extra entries into the giveaway for you guys. So every time you guys use my code, 2 extra entries into the giveaway. I would say some people have a ton of codes used right now, so And pretty much all the commissions I get on any of these prop firms, I use it straight for giveaways. That's why we have so many giveaways accounts to give away. We got like 8 accounts to give away. 8+ accounts to give away. Like I don't even use the affiliate money. I don't even make that much affiliate money. I think the last like 3 months or 2 months, I would say we made around like $800 in affiliate commissions. And it just is going toward giveaway accounts for you guys. So yeah, I'll go hit, man. I'm so sad. I can't believe I toyed around with it. The algo, well, I mean, I don't really trade using the algo. There's something new that I've been doing, and I just use it as confluence for my strategy, and it's definitely been helping me. But recently, I have been using it to trade a single account, and it hasn't lost a trade yet. I haven't yet. Still my first eval with Lucid. Next eval, I'm gonna use your code. Love your streams. I don't watch trading streams much, but I like the vibes here every time you're. Oh, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, honestly, I'm trying to create a calming environment in our stream, especially when you're doing something that really acts on your central nervous system. You know what I mean? When you're trading, your nervous system is really acting up. So anything to calm it down, I think definitely helps. If you don't really know how to read price action, market structure, I try to go over that with you guys. I do think that's one of the most important things. Is just understanding market structure. Have you ever traded crypto futures? Is there any reason why you don't anymore? Yes, that's how I lost all my money. So that's why I don't trade it anymore. Yeah. I lost a lot of money in the whole FTX debacle. I had a good amount of money on some offshore exchanges, and then they rug pulled me. So I just stopped trading futures or crypto futures. What a pop from supply. This is not a move I was expecting, if I'm honest. It's crazy. Alright guys, I'm getting pretty close to hopping off here. We're still kind of far away from our likes goal. How about tomorrow? I'll stream again, but we'll do the giveaway at 100 likes for one account. I think that's more realistic for you guys, or for the stream, I should say. So yeah, we'll do that. I think I'm gonna hop off for the day. Yeah, guys. Hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys ended up profitable today. I think the moves were really good today, despite no news or anything. So yeah, I think it's just gonna be a little choppier from here on out, so it's probably better to just hop off. Yeah, good stuff, guys. Yeah, happy Lunar New Year. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I'll catch you guys all tomorrow. Peace.